Michael Flood out here at Highway 18 at the bridge replacement project over Dabbs Creek in Rankin County. We are out here again with project engineer Trent Holbrook. We're going to get an update on this bridge replacement project. As you can see, they've made lots of progress in the last couple months. Trent, can you tell us a little bit about what kind of work has taken place over the last month?
Sure, yeah. You can see behind me, we've got the bridge deck all the way to the old roadway. So the bridge deck is completed. So we still have rails to pour. We don't have any rails on the bridge. But after this is completed, then we'll do the rails, and then we'll do the new roadway that's going to tie in to the new bridge deck.
Wow, so is that all the remaining work left, or is there anything to do after that?
Yes, really, we have rails and dirt work, and hopefully, in the next couple months, you'll be able to drive across the new bridge.
New bridge. Wow, that's exciting to hear. So, but the road is still closed as it has been. Do you have any message for motorists that are driving this area of 18?
Yeah, so still, if you can, please use the official MDOT detour, which is Highway 43 to I-20, and we can just keep that going for a couple more months, and we'll be completed.
Okay, Trent, thanks for the constant updates on this project. We're happy to see that it's making nice progress out here, and we thank all of you for following along. We'll keep getting you updates on this bridge project as it progresses, so stay tuned at Mississippi DOT on social media. Sign up for alerts on our MDOT Traffic mobile app or visit mdottraffic.com. Thank you.